Welcome to our channel. Elevate your breakfast with these 10 global breakfasts. As dawn breaks, the world stirs with the scent of breakfast. From city streets to quiet kitchens, every culture greets the day with unique flavors. Breakfast is a window into the heart of each culture. Join us as we explore the world's breakfasts, where every bite tells a story.
In North Africa, where spices fill the air and the desert sun blazes, shakshuka was born. This vibrant dish blends tomatoes, cumin and harissa into a rich, flavorful sauce. Shakshuka is a symbol of resourcefulness, created from simple ingredients and shared across continents. It found a new home in Israel, evolving with each cook's personal touch. Whether topped with herbs or enjoyed with warm pita, shakshuka brings people together, celebrating tradition and flavor.
In Mexico, breakfast comes alive with chilaquiles, a dish where tradition meets bold flavor. Leftover tortillas are cut, fried crisp, and transformed into something special. Bathed in salsa roja or verde, each bite bursts with flavor and texture. Toppings vary: crumbled queso fresco, a fried egg, or both, making every plate unique. Chilaquiles is more than food. It's a celebration of family, flavor, and tradition.
From Mumbai's lively streets to Kerala's peaceful backwaters, India wakes up to the aroma of masala dosa. This crispy crepe, made from fermented rice and lentils, is a southern staple. Its heart is a spiced potato filling, rich with flavor. Folded and served hot, each bite blends crispy dosa, savory masala, and tangy chutneys. Enjoyed everywhere from street stalls to family tables, masala dosa is a beloved meal for any time of day. It's a true symbol of India's rich and diverse food culture.
In Turkey, where East meets West, mornings begin with menemen, a breakfast tradition full of flavor and warmth. Menemen is more than food. It's a symbol of Turkish hospitality and togetherness. Ripe tomatoes, peppers and onions simmer, then eggs are cracked in, creating a colorful, hearty dish. Shared at the table, menemen celebrates fresh ingredients and the joy of gathering with loved ones. Savor menemen and experience a Turkish morning, simple, vibrant, and full of life.
As dawn breaks over Japan, a peaceful breakfast ritual begins. Tamago kake gohan captures the heart of Japanese cuisine. Simplicity, purity, and respect for ingredients. Just rice and a raw egg, yet deeply meaningful. The egg, cracked over hot rice, becomes a silky sauce when stirred. Each bite is creamy, comforting, and quietly elegant. Tamago kake gohan reminds us that true beauty and nourishment can be found in the simplest things. It's a humble dish that feeds both body and soul.
In Brazil's Minas Gerais, pão de queijo is a breakfast classic, filling the air with the scent of cheese bread as the sun rises. Made from cassava flour and cheese, this golden, chewy bread is a symbol of family and tradition. Cassava flour, naturally gluten-free, and queijo Minas cheese create its unique texture and flavor. The dough is shaped into balls and baked until golden. Each bite is warm, cheesy, and connects you to generations of Brazilian tradition. Enjoy it with coffee for a true taste of Brazil's morning ritual.
In Nigeria, from lively city streets to quiet villages, the scent of frying akara is everywhere. Akara, crispy bean fritters, are a beloved street food, showing off West Africa's rich flavors. Made from soaked, peeled black-eyed peas, the batter is mixed with onions, spices, and fiery Scotch bonnet peppers. Spoonfuls of batter are fried until golden and crisp, with a soft, savory center. Akara is best enjoyed with pap, a smooth, comforting cornmeal porridge. The creamy pap, sometimes sweetened, balances the crispy, spicy akara perfectly. Together, they create a breakfast that celebrates Nigerian tradition and flavor.
Paris mornings are filled with the scent of fresh bread and the city waking up. In cafes, the croque madame stands out, a true French breakfast classic. Toasted bread, savory ham, and melted Gruyere cheese come together, topped with a fried egg. A drizzle of creamy bechamel sauce finishes this indulgent dish. Each bite is a taste of French culinary passion. Breakfast, elevated.
In the American South, chicken and waffles is a beloved classic born from creativity and resilience. African-American cooks turned simple ingredients into something extraordinary: crispy fried chicken paired with fluffy waffles. The golden chicken and sweet waffles create a perfect balance of flavor and texture. This dish is comfort food at its finest, a symbol of Southern hospitality that brings people together. From humble origins, chicken and waffles now appears everywhere, from home kitchens to gourmet restaurants. Whether topped with syrup, honey, whipped cream, or hot sauce, each version is delicious. No matter how you enjoy it, chicken and waffles is a dish that unites and delights generation after generation.
Next, we travel to the Philippines, where breakfast means tapsilog, a beloved classic. Tapsilog combines tapa, marinated beef, sinangag, garlic fried rice, and itlog, a fried egg. Simple, comforting, and full of flavor, it's a taste of home for many Filipinos. The aroma of garlic and sizzling beef fills kitchens across the country. Tapsilog is enjoyed anytime, breakfast, brunch, or late at night. Each bite brings together savory beef, garlicky rice, and a rich egg yolk. Tapsilog's charm is in its versatility and its power to bring people together. Whether you're a local or a visitor, Tapsilog is a must-try Filipino experience.
Our global breakfast journey ends here. From Mediterranean mornings to Southeast Asian streets, we've tasted a world of flavors. Food connects, comforts, and inspires. Which recipe will you try next? Thank you for watching. Please join us again as we embark on our next culinary adventure. Be sure to be the blessing to someone. And as always, many blessings and much favor until we meet again.